Alright, how to use Semrush Pro Plan for free. Now, disclaimer, Semrush doesn't offer any Pro Plan for free, but if you want 7-day free trial, you can simply head over to my channel or check the link in the description. You'll get a Semrush free trial. You simply click on it, it's going to take you to the landing page, which is a Semrush 1, which is a new 2026 update, which win digital brand visibility and AI visibility in Semrush 1 itself. So what it offers is one solution to every win search. It is combined with SEO, local SEO, and content writing, AI visibility, and social, and even paid campaign advertising and AI PR. Now you can try this absolutely for free for 7 days by clicking the link here, and the link will be in the description. Absolutely. And with that said, Semrush is great for building SEO blog articles, researching SEO keywords on long tail keywords. It has helped me too much. I've been using Semrush from past 2 years and absolutely recommend it in this video and throughout even my clients. So Semrush, you can also manage your domain as a project and track every single thing, even track the LLM keywords, how you're ranking in LLM, and you can also see the prompt. Now I have made a couple of videos, Semrush. I'm a big fan of Semrush, so you can watch a couple of videos about that. The playlist to the Semrush will be in a description.